Hello, welcome to Miss Holly Teaches. I am Miss Holly, and here is Sylvia the Seahorse and Stella the Seahorse. They are best friends, and they want to sing a fun song with Miss Holly today to practice the letter S. Sylvia and Stella, they love the ocean blue. They swim and spiral as best friends always true. And what else can you do? We swish and splash, we swirl you and me in the sparkling waters of the sea. We swish, we splash, we swirl you and me in the sparkling waters of the sea. We had a lot of S sounds in our song today. Let us practice the S sound. So we have a smile, and then we take our tongue behind our top teeth and blow the air through without touching the top teeth. Sometimes if we have a word that starts with T and ends with S, it's easier to make the S sound because with the T, the tongue does touch the back of the teeth. Let's make that sound together. T, t. Now let's say the word toss. Toss, toss. All right, let's go over to Sylvia. Sylvia Seahorse. Let's say that together. Sylvia Seahorse and Stella Seahorse. Let's say some of the words that were in our song today. Swish. Let's say that together. Swish. And splash. Let us say that word together. Splash. Let's try swirl. Swirl. Let's say it together. Swirl. And the next word is sparkling. Sparkling. Let's say it together. Sparkling. And sea. Let's say that word together. Sea. And swim. Swim. Let's say the word swim together. And our last word is spiral. Spiral. Let's say the word spiral together. Spiral. Lots of S sounds in our song. Now let's sing it one more time with Sylvia and Stella the Seahorse. Sylvia and Stella, they love the ocean blue. They swim and spiral as best friends always true. And what else can you do? We swish and splash, we swirl you and me in the sparkling waters of the sea. We swish, we splash, we swirl you and me in the sparkling waters of the sea.